everyone. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the Canva. So there are different topics which we are going to cover in the Canva. This tutorial is about Canva homepage introduction, Canva design, how you can create the designs in Canva, how is you can use the Canva editor, how to you can download the files, and how you can create a video. You can create a video presentation and social media template, so many things, but we just today cover in our video is how we can create a video and the different Canva features which is can be provided by the Canva. So let's start our video. So first we can go with the Canva homepage introductions. So with the help of the Canva, you can design different types of the templates for your work, for your school, or for your any universities, just for your fun also. Also, Canva provides all the tools to create a stunning designs, from the social media post presentations to website to business card, brochures, templates. So that designs you can make very easily, and it is accessible for the everyone. There are the vast variety of the templates are going to be provided by the Canva. So let's start to how it works and how it is the provides the very easy way to create your templates. So this is the main Canva homepage. After once you log in here, your login details are getting B2B here. Then these are the different types of the uh, ways with help of that you can create your video, or you can templates or anything. Then this is the different types of the pricing which you can provide here. Then these are the pricing for your Canva, and what you are going to be learn. Whatever the new updates are coming, all are getting to be covered in the Canva blogs and the community things and that stuffs. So this is the main home page of the Canva. Now there are the different ways of to create the designs in the Canva. The first way is go to here on the left side, on the right side of your bar, and you can see here the create design. In the create design, they provide a different types of the ways you can create in Canva. So this is the first one. So here, if I want to create anything, I just click on that, and I just I go there. They provide here the several templates. Anyone you can choose from here, and you can start to edit it. On the editor part, we will come later in our further videos, but this is the first way to create your design. Another way is like you can just scroll it here, and you can see different ways of to create the designs in Canva. So if I want to again, I can just click it here. So the same editor page will be open here, and it provides you the your design which you can import here. This is the second way. The third way is that if you go here, they provide you the custom size. So in the custom size, if I want my template for LinkedIn page, or for the LinkedIn background, or for the YouTube, or for the Facebook background, so accordingly I can just choose the size of the template which I'm going to be do. You can change your units also here, and I will just create on the create new design. So like that way also you can create your own design in a own format, in the own size. So this is the one way you can create your size. Then another way is that you can import your file, and then you can start to edit it. So there are the four ways. With the help of that, you can create the designs in the Canva. And now let's go to the Canva editor, how the Canva editor works. So Canva editors have provided different types of the tools which makes your design more compatible and more professional. So the first thing is like, if I want to change the color of this, you just go here and you can just choose any design which you want to be like be here. So if I say I just select this, the gray color, I just fine. Then you can change, you can make your color accordingly the palette provided here. After that, there is the text. So for the text, they provide a different font size here. You can choose any font from here, whichever you like to be. Then this is the size of the font. If you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to reduce, you can reduce also here. Then this is the colors of the font which you want to select here. You can choose it from here. Then this is the bold. You can bold, italic, then underline, then strike. Then if you want to all should be the uppercase or all should the lowercase, you can do it. Then it's provide the alignment of the text where you want in center or aligned left side or right side. These all things are getting provided. Then here, this is the bullet size, the bullets you can provide here. This is the size between the letter, between the line. If I want to increase, I can increase also. If I want to reduce, you can reduce also. So this is a very awesome tools are providing here. Then there is also the effects part. In the effects part, you can change the fonts, the font way. See, you can see the difference in that. I can change anything. So it's a very innovative way, and you can make a very creative designs with the help of these things. And it's very easy to use also. Then you can animate also your things if you want your font should become up like that, or it should be rise from the up, or it's fed up, something, whatever you want to like to be, you can put there. Then there is a position. Which position do you want to provide your font? So like that, this is the Canva editor where you can do you can edit your design here as per your way. Another thing is like once I finalize with this design or once I am fine with this, if you want my other team member should not be edited or you cannot another cannot be modify it. So you just need to do the lock that position. So if I lock this position, so I cannot modify this position. If you see here, I didn't lock this one, so it's still moving, but it doesn't move. But if I again unlock it, it will be go back to their positions. I can do it again. This is also very nice feature which is provided by Canva. Now this is the design part where you can change everything. You can change the color combination, whatever. Now if I want to, I don't like you can say I don't like this one, this design. I want to keep it something different. So what you just need to go here, you can choose anything which is relevant to your design. So if I say technology, and technology design is here. So is it anything relevant to that? I didn't see. And you can choose the graphics, you can choose the photos, videos, different options are provided here, whichever you like to be do here. So I will go to the innovation, something like that, or you can say I like to be the innovation something. So I like to be keep this one, so I just keep it here. And here it is not looking very nice. So I can let me choose some another one here. So something you can say, yeah, it's related to my innovation, or you can say like this. So I just want to choose this. So I just choose it. I reduce it the size so it looks nice. So like that. So you can keep it your logos here. The way, whatever the way you like to be, you can do it in any way. Then there is a text which I already show you, like you can you can provide text is also here. Then you can give your own brand logos and you can put it here. And if you want to upload any design from outside, for example, this is my logo and I just want to keep it here. So I just take it this logo and I keep it on the hub that this is going to be provided by this company, this organization. And you can upload your design and you can keep it here. Then you can draw. If you want to draw anything, you can draw anything with the help of this. And this is the projects where you can keep your design in particular folder. So in future, if you need that, it easily available for you and you can accessible also it very easily. So this is a very proper way to design your different animated images or the way you want it. And if you are happy with that, then I will show you how to we can save that images and how you can use it for the further things. So that's it for the today's video. We will cover the rest of the topics in our next video. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to our channel.